Portland businessman Samuel Frauty Dixon shot more than 70 times at his home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. We have an update to come on a news report that we brought to you earlier today. It's understood that popular Portland businessman Samuel Frauty Dixon was shot more than 70 times at his home in Tower Isle on Monday night. It's understood that the police recovered more than 70 spent shells from the scene. Among the theories being pursued by investigators is that Dixon was attacked by multiple assailants. Reports are that Dixon drove into his yard about 7 p.m. It is understood that before he could exit the vehicle, he came under heavy gunfire from men who had been waiting for him at the premises. Dixon reportedly ran from the vehicle but was chased and shot multiple times. It's understood that nothing was taken from him, including his licensed firearm. Dixon was pronounced dead at hospital. Links 007 TV News understands that Dixon was a well-known supporter of the Jamaican Labour Party, who contributed to the party's candidates in both St. Mary and Portland. There is no suggestion that his killing had anything to do with politics. Dixon operated 2 service stations, a used car dealer and an auto parts store in Ochoa, St. Anne. He also operated 2 gas stations in Port Antonio and a supermarket in Buff Bay, Portland. He grew up in the Port Antonio area and started his career as a businessman several years ago. Meanwhile, commanding officer for the St. Mary Police Division, Deputy Superintendent of Police Anthony Wallace, is urging anyone with information on the incident to come forward.
Our officers responded swiftly, securing the scene and recovering critical evidence. We understand the community's concern. I want to assure residents that we are doing everything possible to bring those responsible to justice. Increased patrols and investigative resources have been deployed to enhance security in the area. We are appealing to anyone with information to contact the St. Mary Police at 876-333-9530 or Crime Stop at 311. Your cooperation is vital in ensuring justice is served.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.